This is Darren from Macquarie Warrants, here to share with you the market action we saw in the month and what warrant investors can look out for in the coming weeks. Since February, the dynamics in the market switched as investors turned their heads back into cyclical stocks. Technology stocks, which have rallied tremendously over the past year, received the shorter end of the stick from mid-February as investors exited on their holdings, placing heavy selling pressure on the sector. The Hang Seng TECH index, comprising of Asia's leading tech giants, faced additional selling pressure as the Chinese government remains firm on its clampdown on Chinese tech giants as well as the Hong Kong electoral system. Since trading to its peak at close to 11,000 on 17 February, the index has since sank more than 20% and traded to its 8,000 level. During this period, Macquarie launched a call and put warrants over the Hang Seng TECH, allowing both bullish and bearish investors to gain access to the volatile Chinese tech sector. A higher volatility means that the short and medium-term trends are likely to be larger and potentially present more trading opportunities. So, what are warrants? Call warrants move in line with the underlying they follow, meaning if the underlying stock or index went up, so will the call warrants. Put warrants move inversely from the underlying and will increase in price when the underlying stock or index falls. Since Macquarie's Hang Seng TECH warrants launched on 22nd February, the Hang Seng TECH put V6EW gained 81% on the Hang Seng TECH's 14% decline, while the Hang Seng TECH call ICYW fell 70% in the same period. More Hang Seng TECH warrants are listed on 11 March, so don't miss out. Learn more about the Hang Seng TECH warrants by clicking the link in the description below. Have you also noticed a much larger magnified percentage price move in the Hang Seng TECH warrants compared to the Hang Seng TECH futures itself? This is due to the gearing effect. So how do you know how much more a warrant will move given a move in the underlying price in the short term? For that, investors can refer to the effective gearing level as an indication. Say if a warrant had effective gearing of 10 times, it means the warrant will move around 10% for every 1% move in underlying share or index it tracks. The gearing effect is one of the reasons that make warrants popular, but notes that gearing can work both ways, meaning warrants will also move in a bigger magnitude or percentage than the percentage move in the underlying should you get your view wrong. In Singapore Airlines emerged as one of the leading cyclical stocks which benefited from the recent boom in airline stocks, as reports suggest that air travel might resume earlier than expected. Besides, SIA stays well poised for a quick recovery in this trying period as it expanded its cargo subsidiary, capturing profits from increased freight prices. Additionally, the 2021 Singapore budget has pledged to provide continued support, with another 870 million set aside to support the sector. In the 5 weeks since the start of February, SIA shares soared 25%, the highest since March 2020. From the 25% rally, SIA call warrant GIJW increased from 2.1 cents to close at 5.7 cents last Friday, a whopping 171% return. To see where our bid and offer prices are for a range of given underlying prices, visit our live matrix. Look out for the blue bar to see the live bid and offer prices for both the underlying and warrants. In this example of a HSI call warrant, the rightmost column states the underlying's offer price and next to it is the warrant's offer price. The warrant PNDW's offer price will be trading at 14.1 cents when HSI's offer price trades between 25161 to 25174. The warrant offer price increases to 14.2 cents when the HSI offer price trades from 25175 to 25188. The underlying and warrant bid prices are on the left. In this case, the warrant bid price would trade at 13.9 cents when the HSI index bid price is trading between 25148 to 25161. Utilizing the live matrix, warrant investors can decide on their warrant entry and exit levels based on their view of the underlying. With put warrants, investors are taking a short position on the underlying. When an investor buys a put, warrant issuers like Macquarie sell their underlying stocks at their bid prices to hedge. Therefore, you'll notice that the warrant's offer price tracks the underlying's bid price on the live matrix instead. The underlying's bid price is now displayed at the rightmost column, while the underlying's offer price is on the leftmost column. Looking at the live matrix here, put warrant RAIW has an offer price of 11 cents when the HSI bid price trades between 25196 to 25214, while the warrant bid will be 10.9 cents when the HSI's offer price trades between 25197 to 25215. You'll notice that warrant prices are higher when the underlying HSI futures trades lower as put warrants move in the opposite direction to the underlying they track. Upon deciding to trade, simply click on Trade Warrants here to get directed to your local brokerage account and key in the 4-digit warrant code into the trading platform. For further details on trading warrants and to find out if you're qualified to trade warrants, click on the link in the description or feel free to contact us at our warrant hotline. Lastly, don't miss out on next video and exciting warrant news by scanning on the QR codes and subscribe to our channels on YouTube, Telegram and Facebook.